IJMEMS is contributing greatly in recently. If you see its standing, it has achieved a remarkable progress in last 3-4 years, and last year or very recently it has come up with its impact factor, and now its visibility is worldwide. Because if you see the list of authors that are publishing, you will find authors from various countries, not only from India, although India-based journal, researchers from different continents, whether America, Europe, they are continuously published and they are very highly reputed authors. And I have no doubt to believe that in years to come, this will be the among very few journals in the area of management, engineering, or mathematical sciences, where researchers will publish heavily from across the globe. And I wish all the best for this journal, for its excellent growth in the future.